This is the Ideal Security Patio Door Security Bar with Anti-Lift Lock. Step-by-step installation guide. The patio door security bar is made up of the following components: rotating bracket, release lever, saddle, anti-lift lock, and screws. The SK110 patio door security bar is adjustable from 24.75 to 47.5 inches, so please make sure that this is appropriate for your patio door. For the installation, you'll need a drill, a 1/8 inch drill bit, and a screwdriver. Before beginning installation, please make sure that the patio door opens and closes smoothly. Let's begin by choosing the appropriate height for the installation of the security bar. Choose an installation height that doesn't interfere with the door handle. Allow enough room for the extended SK110 to be stored vertically when not in use. If the security bar is installed too high, you won't be able to raise it up and stow it away. If your security bar doesn't fit vertically when fully extended, you need to lower your bar. If you don't want to lower the position of your bar, you can also keep it at your desired height and then retract it before storing it vertically. When positioning the security bar, make sure that the release lever, shown here, is always facing upwards. The security bar can be extended by simply pulling it out, and to retract it, simply press down on the release lever. It's important to note that the saddle is wider than the rotating bracket. Do not install the rotating bracket on the edge of the door frame. If you do, the saddle will not align properly on the frame. Before beginning the installation, determine whether or not you want to install the optional anti-lift lock, which provides enhanced security by preventing the bar from being raised without first pushing in on the spring clip. When choosing the placement for the rotating bracket, please make sure that your drill will clear the glass. Now, let's prepare to drill the holes for the rotating bracket. Use a pencil to draw the outline of where the screws will go. Your hole is bigger than the 1/8 inch drill bit, so make sure to mark a dot in the center of each circle. Now, drill your pilot holes on the door jamb. If your drill stops while trying to drill through the door jamb, simply drill with light but firm bursts of pressure with your hand. To help hold the rotating bracket in place while you screw it in, feel free to extend the bar a little further. To install the bar, use the two included truss head tapping screws to fasten the rotating bracket to the open door jamb/door frame. Start by screwing in the top screw. Once the top screw is in place, lift the rotating bracket to reveal the bottom hole. Now you can screw in the bottom screw. Next, let's find the position for the support saddle. Start by placing the bar end inside the support saddle and extending the bar towards the door frame. Use a level to ensure the proper height, then mark the holes using a pencil just as before. When drilling the holes to install the saddle, it is important not to drill too deep, because if you hit the glass, it can shatter. A good tip is to use tape on the drill bit to mark the length of the screw so that you don't drill past that length. Drill the holes for the support saddle. This is where you want to make sure that you don't drill too deep. Otherwise, you may hit the patio door glass. If using the optional anti-lift lock when the bar is installed in standard orientation, use the top holes on the anti-lift lock to secure it into place. For alternate orientation, use the bottom holes to secure the anti-lift lock. Also, when installing the saddle in this orientation, don't drill too deep to avoid hitting any glass. Now, screw in the saddle with or without the anti-lift lock using the 3 flathead tapping screws where you drilled the holes. With the bar extended, the rotating bracket should slide neatly into the saddle. As you can see, the anti-lift lock provides extra security by ensuring that the bar cannot be lifted. To lift the bar when the anti-lift lock is installed, simply press inwards on the anti-lift lock lever. To lock the door in an open position to allow for airflow, open the door to the desired width, lower the bar, and, pressing the rocker, extend it to the support saddle. The security bar can resist up to 300 pounds of door opening force, and it won't shake loose and fall. The patio door, bar, and saddle are screwed into the door frame, providing reliable protection. Additionally, the Ideal Security Patio Door Security Bar provides extra security by acting as a visual deterrent against intruders who can see it clearly through the door from the outside. Now the security bar is fully installed. For more information, visit idealinc.com.